Going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and right here we have Solar Flame Guard Deterrent. This thing is supposed to repel animals such as deers, rabbits, raccoons, squirrels, you name it. It's supposed to repel them. For the most part, this is solar. You could charge this solar or you could charge it through your outlet. Here's all the specifications. I'm gonna put it up to the screen. You can pause it, look at it for yourselves. All right, enough time. And I also want to mention, shout out to xpest.com. They sent this out for review, and also for my viewers, they gave y'all a discount. The discount for this is 40 occupied when you go on Amazon. All right, so you do get 2 USB to 2 units, and it has solar right there on the top, and also it has the slots here where you can mount it. The goodies, okay, and we have the pipes to where we stick it in the ground. So this is awesome. You can mount it different ways. As y'all know, I will go over the instructions. We will all follow along. Got knobs here on the bottom. Don't know what they're for quite yet, but we will get into that when we get to the field. All right, they said this is ABS material. So the charger is right here, right there on the bottom. So you can solar or you can charge it in the house. There you go. And then the other pipe fits right there, and then you got your stake. So 3 pieces there. All right, you guys, let me take this out to the field. All right, you guys, so I have this thing about 6 foot away. It's actually making the sound when I walk past the nut. It makes a sound when I'm close to the nuts, but let's see how much sound it makes when I'm further away from the nuts. All right, you guys, y'all hear the thunderstorm. So I will just leave the GoPro out here and I'll talk to y'all when I get in the house. Okay, you guys, so I fast forward the video for a little bit. If you look in the back, you can see that the squirrels want to come in the yard, but the sound is very irritating. But right here, we have a prime suspect. So let's go ahead and carry on. He wants to come into the yard because he's so hungry. He wants these nuts. And y'all going to get a little surprise, and he's coming right now. So right now he's trying to creep to get the nuts, and as you know, the sound is irritating to them. So he runs away, and that will be it. So the product do work. I'm going to leave it alone like that. I'll do a couple of more videos for y'all. So stay tuned, and then we'll get to the rest of this review. All right, let's go. Let's say like 30 foot away. I think I'm like 30 foot away. So I'm just gonna walk to the side. And y'all see it came on, right? I just want to say that this thing really works. The squirrels haven't been in the yard. Let me get away from this noise. The squirrels haven't been in the yard in a while now, so I just gave the squirrels the food. I put the saucer pan over there by the bird food and let them eat it. But they haven't been on the yard for a little while. As y'all can see, that's my little mark for the saucer pan. And yeah, this thing actually works. Like, they haven't been on the yard at all. It does make a difference, and yeah, make sure y'all take advantage of this discount that the company provided. Always Occupied 40. I will link it right there while I'm talking. And yeah, take advantage of that when you go on to Amazon, and that will be it. I'll see if I could do any more fun, cool videos and daily updates, but that's all. Like, comment, share, subscribe.